Master and Dynamic ME5 headphones, and this is what I'm going to be reviewing today. Yeah, I can't think of anything more to go with that, but if you know Master of the House, we're going to be reviewing Master and Dynamic. And we've reviewed them before, and this time I think they're kind of going a little retro with this one. Okay, when I say retro, well, let's put it this way. When I got to review them, I got this card that says, I'm so excited to bring the ME5s back. So, and it's from the founder and CEO, so hey, that's nice. And I think it's best if I just kind of open them up and just try them out. And after I do that, I think it'd be better if I just talked about the sound. And then if I want to get to the more minute details, talk about that in the article, which I always have on thegeekchurch.com. What's that? You don't have the geekchurch.com bookmarked? You might want to do that. Also, like and subscribe if you like this channel. Actually, like and subscribe if you don't, because I could use the subscribers. Anyway, yeah, seriously, every little bit helps. And let's just open this up and just check out what's here. Now, something that you should notice, these are wired earphones. And I can't believe I'm even reviewing anything that's wired. Everything I review now is like wireless now. So it just seems kind of odd that someone would even send this to me. But, hey, like I said, if they're bringing it back, who am I to say how it should be brought back? And I reviewed their wireless ones before in the past, and I'll put a link there just to let you know. I don't know, I think I might have said something about Master and Dynamic, how classy they are, and look at how classy this setup is. I mean, honestly, this is what you do unboxings for, is something like this, isn't it? That's easily what you do it for. Okay, this leads to the obvious question of, hey, how can I try these out? Well, fortunately, I just happen to have this old phone that actually has a headphone jack, which is strange because, yeah, a lot of phones these days, well, I don't have those headphones jacks, so what can you say? Alright, I got it right here, and I'm just going to pull them out. Ah, very nice. And, how difficult is this going to make me? Okay, not difficult at all. This is kind of an odd setup. Alright, I'm going to have to check this out here. Okay, I probably should have just done this first by getting these open, and how many ear tips is that? That's like a dozen. It's actually more like a half dozen because that's probably what you'll use. But I'll just start with what we've got here. And man, oh man, we've got a lot. So let's get these out, try them on. Okay, now that we've got them out, let's see what else is in here. We got this really cool pouch that is super classy. I'll get you a nice close-up of that. And we also have a quick start guide. I'm not really certain if we really need them, but we have them in different languages and like a whole instructions here, right there. So not bad at all. So I think I'm trying to figure out, like, if I wanted to listen to something, what would I listen to really give a good show of what I like about this? Now, I can't play a song that's pretty popular now because, well, I'd probably get flagged on the copyright. Do I want to do the public domain thing that I usually do when I'm reviewing something like this? I don't know. Well, I'm listening to something kind of interesting new. And here's the deal. I got a volume control here. And a nice play pause button there too. So what am I listening to? Let me give you a little hint. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Okay, that's probably enough of that, right? I mean, in fact, some of you are probably thinking like, Mark, that's more than enough. We don't want to hear you sing that. We never want to hear you sing that again. Don't worry, that'll be the last time. Anyway, so audiophiles, listen to me. You want to get Master and Dynamic's ME05 because why wouldn't you? Yeah, it's wired, but you know what? It's a long wire, and hey, you can do a lot with it. And hey, some phones still have the headphone jack. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Plus you could probably get an adapter because you can do that now. Anyway, I feel crazy even trying to promote this or anything any further because Master Dynamic really speaks for itself. And hey, we at the Geek Church, we love reviewing their stuff, and hopefully we can review more of their products. Because it's been a while since we've reviewed one of their wireless products. You know what? We're going to make a note of that. We're going to do that again. So, anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church. I'm signing off. Shit, I almost forgot to give the price. It's $199.99, and you can get it at the Master Dynamics site right now. Woo!